Hello everyone! Wow, that sounded so weird. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I think I was just a little too excited and a little too caffeinated when I just clicked the on button and the record. Anyway, as you've seen, I just got done watching some YouTube. It is currently, I don't have my watch on, 11:30, so I figured maybe I should actually start my day. I like to multitask in the morning when I am trying to get myself refreshed, get more awake, get my coffee, my matcha, whatever it is. I did have some rice for breakfast with some sesame oil and some soy sauce. Absolutely delicious combination. But I absolutely love doing my skincare when I watch YouTube. For some reason, it is so motivating, especially when the YouTubers themselves are doing their face and doing their skincare. I am using, and I'm totally going to butcher this name, the Abial Royal. I did get this from Influencer, if it'll focus. But I have been using this quite a bit, and it makes my face really nice and soft. Not sponsored, but I like to put this on my hands too, and because I touch my face a lot. So, see, especially my nose. But I'm always picking at my face, always touching my face. Bad habits die hard. So I just like to put the products that I use on my face on my hands just to be extra, it's not really clean, maybe clean, extra prepared, because I know I'm going to do it, especially before bed. If you lay on your skin like this, like on your hands, it's just so much nicer to know that you're not laying on sweaty hands or whatever. It just also helps with the health of your hands. But anyways, I do have some chores I need to do, and by that I need to walk over to the dollar store. I need to get some CDRs because I'm back into photography. If you've been watching my videos, once again my nose itches. So I was going to give people flash drives, but those are not as cheap as I was hoping. So I'm just gonna be giving them their originals and their edited versions on a CDR, because it's just so much cheaper on me, especially as I don't want to say a startup, but I mean, I've been doing photography for about 5 years now, if not longer. I just reinvented my brand, rebranded, there's the word rebranded. And a lot of my photos got destroyed or something malfunctioned on the hard drive where they're just not there, so now I need to rebuild my portfolio. It's a lot. It really is a lot. But I'm gonna walk over to the dollar store and see if they have CDRs. If not, Amazon. And then I'm going to come home and do some household chores, get some cleaning done and some adulting. Possibly get some coding in today. I do want to do that before Shiloh gets home. And then Jerry, that way, yeah. Just some like me time. I mean, I have a lot of me time. And one thing that happened is the brakes on our van went, so they're just kapooey, so no one's driving anywhere anytime soon. Van goes in Tuesday. Let's hope it is not going to cost my soul. But anyways, let's go into the dollar store. What? Why are you meowing at me? Meow? Meow? Are you a good girl? Yeah? My little office helper. Be back soon, Lily. Hey Google, what's the current weather right now?
Currently in Buffalo, it's 56 degrees and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 56 and a low of 38.
dollar store no longer carries CDRs. Probably didn't sell them enough. I mean, it's probably not a very common purchase, but I did manage to get these vitamin water refresher, and this one is in the tropical mango flavor, which means when I get home, I'm gonna be doing a Target order to get CDs. I might actually have some, so I probably should look first. I got other things I need to do today besides wait around and try to order things and then them be out of stock. And it's just a waste of money, so I'm just gonna look around at home. I probably should have done that before walking to the dollar store, honestly, but I can use a little outing from being in the house all day. I'm back home now. Like I said, the dollar store did not have any CDRs, but I kind of remembered that I have some here, so that entire walk was just to go get some vitamin water. It came to almost $2, so it is what it is. It did get me out of the house and some fresh air. It's not really healthy to be cooped up all the time, and I am an ambivert, I think it's pronounced, where I love being by myself, but I also thrive on human interaction and like going out. But I did find CDRs here. I just need to go through them and make sure there's nothing on them before I start putting like people's pictures and stuff on them and giving them to them, because I know I've used some of these in the past, since there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left out of 10. And that's what makes it kind of more sus. Like, why aren't they full? But yeah, I'm gonna do that. cleaning done. I uploaded the videos, got some editing done as well. I am so excited for this cat fountain. It is very quiet, which is also concerning because I'm so used to the other one that I had. It sounded like a waterfall, but the problem was it was splashing water all over my hardwoods. I tried filling it less, I've tried filling it more, I've tried repositioning the filters, but it was ruining the hardwood and everything around it, and that's why there was like towels and stuff everywhere. But let's take a look at this new filter and at this new fountain, because I'm so excited for it and I really hope it helps my cats, because I noticed that a lot of biofilm has been building up in their cat pools even though I washed them and cleaned them. So I was giving stainless steel a go, and so far I do highly recommend it. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Here is the new fountain, and as you can hear, it is so quiet. I can't believe it. I do keep a bowl of clean water next to the fountain just in case this ever stops working and no one is home, and the cats will always have access to fresh water, just because sometimes fountains are not always reliable. And then I also invested in some new cat bowls for them. These ones are ceramic, and they're in these cute little stands. This is definitely like a vibe, but they have their dietary food in here as well as some tiki cat, their wet food that they left this morning that you guys saw me clean up. And then I just have this one. This is supposed to help them slow down when they eat, but they don't care. Right now I'm just waiting for Shiloh to get home. She has misplaced her math book. Her math teacher actually just messaged me, and I have been looking everywhere for it, and it's not here. She says she left it here. She told me she left it at school in her locker or in her desk. She told her teacher she left it here, so obviously she misplaced her math book. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do about it, because her teacher said she did not have any extras. So I feel like I'm gonna be going through a lot of printer ink and paper. So I'm at work right now. I'm on my break. It is currently, if it'll load. Hi. It is currently 12:33. I am on break for 15 minutes. I have my veggie chips. Well, not really veggie chips. They're the Quest protein chips that I mentioned in my last video. I eat them all the time. They're just super simple, and they have 19 grams, 20 grams of protein. I have some coffee with me. It is pumpkin spice. And then I just have my Pusheen water bottle, and I have some flavored water in here. I currently am drinking fruit punch. Sorry, I have my headset on still. I should probably turn that off. Okay, turned off. But anyway, yeah, that is how my day's going. I've been here for about 2.5 hours. I worked 10 to 12 today. 10 to 2 today. And I have been on the register. I have been restocking. I have been so busy. We have soaps on sale. I believe they're $3.50 today. And then the room sprays are on sale. I believe they're also $3.50 today. And single wicks are $6.50, I think it is. But it's been so busy. Like, there's just so many customers. When I get home though, I need to do some laundry. I need to tidy up the house a bit because it has fallen into shambles. And I need to cook dinner. I do want to come up with a cute little recipe today. I had a really bad nightmare last night and I wasn't able to sleep, and I woke up crying. Like, I've never done that, and I just really miss Jerry, and it made me really sad. I don't think I will talk about it much just because it was really traumatizing. That's the back door going beep beep. Yeah. Everyone, I'm currently on my way to the cafe to meet up with one of my clients. I am giving her her finished photos from the photo shoot I did with her, and it is so bright out. The sun is like really bright, obviously. The sun is bright. But to be honest, I didn't really want to get up this morning. I had a really rough night, again, and I'm just exhausted and didn't want to get out of bed. But I forced myself to get up and do it anyway, because a girl needs to get stuff done. But I'm looking forward to that iced matcha latte with oat milk. Also, I found a penny on the ground, and it was heads up. Was it heads up or tails up that it was good luck?